Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be the unboxing of iBall Andi Cobalt Solus. We had ordered the Andi around cause of the unique SOS button on that model, but we were delivered the wrong item. Let's get on with it then. And whoops. Let's just roll the intro. Believe me, though that was unintentional, it was deserved. The packaging box and the contents themselves are, simply put, an awful packaging. We get that the phone is an entry-level one, but packaging this abominable is just unacceptable for us. Back to it though, the box comes with the phone itself, wrapped in a simple plastic bag in the top compartment, along with the SIM tray removal tool. It's just a generic tool, looks like a soldering wire that has been bent. We also have a basic starter kit. The accessories include a wall wart with a USB charging cable, earbuds, and a phone cover. Our phone cover was in a really bad condition, as you can see here. The charger is a 5-volt 1A model, with a standard micro B to USB-A charging cable. Earbuds are also cheap and should only be used for calls and such. It also comes with an OTG cable, to view files from a flash drive on the go. Looking at the phone itself, it's nothing special to look at, but at this point we were just happy that it didn't have any big claw marks across it. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and subscribe for more content.